Here's a shocking truth that surprises almost every retiree I meet. Having $1 million in your 401k doesn't mean you're financially free. In fact, many so-called 401k millionaires end up struggling with cash flow, not because they didn't save enough, but because they misunderstood how to turn that savings into income. Think about it. You've spent 30 or 40 years saving and watching that balance grow, but when the paychecks stop, you suddenly have to become your own employer, deciding how much to pay yourself, when, and from which account. And that's where things fall apart, because retirement isn't about how big your nest egg looks. It's about how long that nest egg can actually pay you. So today we're going to talk about why so many 401k millionaires still run out of cash flow and what you can do differently to help your retirement income last as long as you do. Hi, I'm Dan Shevlin. I'm the president of 2020 Financial Group. On this channel, I help people build smarter, more predictable retirement income plans, so you can preserve what you've earned and live the life that you've worked for. If that sounds like something you care about, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps more people find this kind of practical retirement advice. All right, let's break it down. The 3 big reasons even 401k millionaires run into cash flow trouble, and how to avoid making the same mistakes. Part 1. The illusion of being a 401k millionaire. Let's start with a hard truth. $1 million isn't what it used to be. If you retire at 65 with $1 million in your 401k, that might sound like a lot, but the math tells a much different story. At a conservative 4% withdrawal rate, that's about $40,000 per year before taxes. If you're married, add in Social Security, and maybe you're at $70,000, $80,000 a year total. Now factor in inflation. Even at 3%, your purchasing power is cut in half in 24 years. That means your $40,000 today will feel more like $20,000 by your late 80s. So while your account balance looks impressive, it doesn't guarantee a steady, inflation-proof income. The problem is that most people focus on the balance, not the paycheck. And that's where the retirement math starts to fall apart. Part 2, the first mistake, treating your 401k like a bank account. The first reason retirees run out of cash flow is simple. They withdraw emotionally, not strategically. After decades of saving, that 401k balance can feel like a safety net until you start dipping into it. But without a plan, people end up pulling out money reactively. A new car here, a home project there, maybe helping the kids or grandkids. Then markets dip and they sell investments to protect what's left. That combination of spending too fast and selling during down markets destroys the longevity of a portfolio. This is what we call sequence of return risk. If your investments take a hit early in retirement and you're pulling income at the same time, it's almost impossible to recover. Here's an example. 2 retirees both start with $1 million. Both withdraw $40,000 a year. Retiree A starts during a bull market. Their balance grows and easily sustains withdrawals. Retiree B starts during a bear market. Their balance drops early, and within 15 years, they're out of money. Same savings, same withdrawals, completely different outcomes because of timing and structure. That's why a withdrawal plan matters as much as your investment plan. Part 3, the second mistake, ignoring taxes. The second reason 401k millionaires run short on cash flow. They forget their 401k balance isn't all theirs. A big chunk of that account belongs to the IRS. If you've got $1 million in a traditional 401k and you're in the 22% tax bracket, that's really about $780,000 of usable money. And if tax rates rise in the future, which is likely, you could lose even more to Uncle Sam. Plus, once you turn 73, required minimum distributions, RMDs, force you to withdraw whether you need the income or not. That extra income can push into a higher tax bracket, make your Social Security taxable, and even increase your Medicare premiums. So your cash flow problem isn't just about withdrawals, it's about what's left after taxes. The solution? Tax diversification. You want a mix of tax-deferred, taxable, and tax-free accounts like a Roth IRA, so you can choose which source to pull from each year. This flexibility lets you manage your tax bracket and stretch your income farther, instead of letting the IRS dictate your paycheck. Part 4, the third mistake, no real income plan. Here's the biggest reason 401k millionaires run out of money. They never build a retirement income plan. They spent years growing the wealth, but never learned how to turn it into a reliable monthly paycheck. Here's what that looks like. They retire, take out what feels comfortable, hope the market behaves, and assume it all just works out. But in reality, retirement has phases. The go-go years, you're traveling, spending, enjoying life. The slow-go years, spending slows a bit, but healthcare starts to rise. The no-go years, you're spending less on travel, but more on care and living support. Your income plan should reflect those phases, and very few retirees plan for that. That's why I often tell clients, you don't retire on assets. You retire on income. It's not about how big the number looks on paper. It's about whether that number can generate consistent, inflation-adjusted cash flow without running out. Part 5, what smart retirees do differently. So what do retirees who don't run out of cash do differently? They do 3 things that most people skip. Number 1, they build a retirement paycheck. Instead of randomly pulling from investments, they create predictable income streams. Part guaranteed, part flexible. That might include Social Security optimization, pensions, or annuities for baseline income, and withdrawals from IRAs or taxable accounts for lifestyle expenses. It's about replacing your old paycheck with a sustainable new one that continues even when the market doesn't cooperate. Number 2, they manage withdrawals strategically. They don't just pick a number like 4% and hope it works forever. They adjust based on market performance, inflation, and their personal spending patterns. That kind of dynamic withdrawal strategy helps safeguard your money in down years and lets you enjoy more freedom in good ones. Number 3, they use taxes as a planning tool. Smart retirees treat taxes as part of the investment return, not a separate issue. They use strategies like Roth conversions during low-income years, tax bracket management, and harvesting gains or losses strategically, all to smooth out income and avoid big surprises later. Because in retirement, what matters most isn't what you make, it's what you keep. Part 6. A real example. Let's look at a real-world comparison. 2 retirees, both with $1 million in a 401k savings. Retiree 1 withdraws as needed, takes Social Security early, and doesn't plan taxes. By 80, inflation, taxes, a few market dips have eroded their income, and they start cutting back. Retiree 2, they delay their Social Security to 70, use 401k strategically for early income, do partial withdrawals, Roth conversions, and manage withdrawals based on market conditions. By 80, they have more income, less tax exposure, and more flexibility. Same savings, different strategy, completely different outcome. Here's the takeaway. Being a 401k millionaire isn't the finish line, it's the starting line. The challenge now is turning that balance into a dependable, inflation-resistant, tax-efficient income stream. And that's where most people need help, because the rules change completely once you start taking money out instead of putting it in. Retirement success isn't about hitting a number. It's about creating a plan that turns that number into income you can count on. If you're approaching retirement or already there and wondering how to turn your 401k into consistent, tax-smart cash flow, this is the time to build your plan. You can schedule a free retirement income strategy session using the link below. We'll look at your 401k, your Social Security options, and your tax picture and show you how to build your income plan that helps your money last as long as you do. I'm Dan Shevlin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.